Welcome inside one of the most remarkable food factories on Earth, a place where a single tropical fruit is transformed into millions of cans, smoothies, and desserts you'll find on supermarket shelves around the world. Our journey begins long before the machines roar to life. It begins in the field. Bathed in the golden light of dawn, vast papaya plantations stretch across the horizon. Here, nature does the first and perhaps the most important part of the work. Each papaya is carefully nurtured by sunlight, rich soil, and warm tropical air until it reaches the perfect stage of ripeness. Skilled harvesters move through the rows, gently picking each fruit by hand to make sure not a single papaya is bruised. From this lush plantation, the journey of the perfect papaya begins. Once harvested, the papayas are loaded into a fleet of modern refrigerated trucks. Temperature control is critical at this stage. Even a few degrees can affect the texture and sweetness of the fruit. These colossal trucks roll into the factory's state-of-the-art receiving bay, where an enormous automated lifting system gently tilts the entire trailer. Thousands of papayas tumble out in a steady golden cascade, flowing seamlessly onto an interconnected conveyor network. This is where the industrial magic begins. A colossal water flume system carries the papayas through a gentle yet thorough cleansing process, washing away dust, leaves, and field debris while keeping every fruit perfectly intact. Each papaya now passes through an intense hygienic wash. Powerful jets and circulating purified water remove every trace of impurity. This step is far more than cosmetic. It is critical to ensuring the highest standards of food safety before any fruit moves deeper into production. Next, the papayas enter the inspection zone, where advanced optical sorters scan every single fruit with high-speed cameras and laser sensors. Any imperfection, a bruise, a discoloration, a soft spot is instantly identified. Precise mechanical arms react in milliseconds, removing the defective papayas from the line. Only the finest fruits move. Each papaya now passes through an intense hygienic wash. Powerful jets and circulating purified water remove every trace of impurity. This step is far more than cosmetic. It is critical to ensuring the highest standards of food safety before any fruit moves deeper into production. Next, the papayas enter the inspection zone, where advanced optical sorters scan every single fruit with high-speed cameras and laser sensors. Any imperfection, a bruise, a discoloration, a soft spot is instantly identified. Precise mechanical arms react in milliseconds, removing the defective papayas from the line. Only the finest fruits move forward, ensuring premium quality for canning and smoothie production. Welcome to the heart of automation. Here, colossal machines transform raw papayas with absolute precision. State-of-the-art sensors guide each fruit through an intricate ballet of preparation, positioning, aligning, and orienting every papaya for optimal handling. Precision engineering ensures minimal waste while maximizing yield. Every cut, every motion, every transfer is calibrated to extract the most from this tropical treasure. Within seconds, raw fruit becomes prepared fruit, ready for the next stage of its remarkable journey. From raw papaya to perfectly peeled flesh, the transformation is swift, clean, and astonishingly efficient. Specialized peeling machines remove the green outer skin in one fluid motion, leaving behind only the vibrant orange flesh that papayas are famous for. Every fruit emerges flawlessly peeled, ready for its transformation into delicious products. Now, the slicing begins. Advanced automation precisely cuts and de-seeds each papaya. Laser-guided blades divide every fruit cleanly in half, revealing the bright, seed-filled interior. The accuracy is so refined that not a millimeter of usable fruit is lost. Robotic arms move in synchronized harmony, scooping out the seeds with surgical efficiency. Their movements are precise, fluid, and faster than any human hand could ever achieve. Within moments, the papaya halves are clean, smooth, and ready for dicing. The dicing station is where engineering truly shines. Each papaya half is sliced into perfectly uniform cubes, identical in size, weight, and shape. These uniform pieces are essential for consistent canning, packaging, and cooking. From whole fruit to perfectly diced portions, automation ensures consistent quality and astonishing efficiency. This technological marvel processes thousands of papayas every hour. The factory never sleeps and the conveyor belts never stop. Each diced cube is gently transferred toward the canning line, where the next phase of its journey awaits. Precision engineering guides thousands of empty cans through the system, perfectly synchronized with the flow of fruit. The result is seamless, high-speed filling, a continuous hypnotic rhythm of stainless steel, glass, and golden papaya flesh. Automated systems ensure consistent quality and rapid processing, transforming fresh papayas into finished, shelf-ready products. From raw fruit to sealed perfection, the journey through advanced machinery is continuous. No human hand ever touches the fruit during this stage. Precision filling stations measure every can with extreme accuracy, dispensing the exact perfect ratio of succulent papaya cubes and sweet preserving syrup. Not a drop is wasted, not a gram is misplaced. Automated systems then move the cans seamlessly toward the final sealing process. Now the cans enter one of the most impressive stages in the entire factory. Colossal robotic arms meticulously load the sealed cans into massive pressurized retorts, industrial steam chambers built like submarines. The retort doors close and seal hermetically, creating a perfectly secure environment. Inside, high-pressure steam reaches temperatures far above boiling, eliminating every possible contaminant and ensuring the long-term preservation of the canned papaya. This is the secret behind shelf-stable fruit that can last for years without losing its flavor. After thorough sterilization, the immense retort doors slowly open, releasing clouds of steam and revealing the perfectly preserved papaya inside. But canning is only one path. Other peeled and de-seeded papayas embark on a very different journey, straight into industrial pulpers. Powerful centrifugal force efficiently extracts the pure, rich papaya pulp, separating it from any remaining fibers. Advanced sensors monitor every aspect, guaranteeing consistent quality and yield. The result is smooth, vibrant, golden-orange papaya pulp, perfectly prepared for the next stage. Colossal blending tanks stand ready, where the pulp is transformed into exquisite fruit purees. Other complementary fruit purees are added, creating a tapestry of tropical flavors. Giant internal mixers churn to life, meticulously blending everything into a silky, uniform texture. From the colossal blending tanks, the perfected blend is transferred for its final transformation into smoothies, desserts, and 1,000 products that will travel from this factory to homes across the world. The blending floor stands as a testament to precision, scale, and innovative production. From a single hand-picked papaya in a sunlit field to a sealed can, a chilled bottle, or a creamy dessert on your table, this is the extraordinary journey of modern food manufacturing. Every step engineered, every fruit perfected, every detail mastered.
Thanks for joining us inside the factory.